today is a success day. If you're looking our planner, today is the last success day of the year. So thank you so much. May you all be successful when the new year comes. Correct? Congratulations. Okay, first, let's all welcome the delegates. Who is the farthest to fly over to Manila? Somebody I hear from Sweden. Okay, Sweden. And Norway. Yes, welcome, welcome. Thank you for coming. That's Rex, Eileen, and the family. Somebody flew in from Tokyo. Welcome, Kokoro, Nakahara, and Mayet. Thank you so much for flying in. Of course, our very own, the Queen of Earl Sport, Philip De Vera over there with our very own Miss Cory Quirino. Thank you so much. Bongga. Okay, sino pa? With the name is anyone? United Kingdom, of course. We have Ninita Gata, Philip De Vera, Miss Dimple Sinesa, the Snitchery Properties, of course, my friends. Ninita Gata there. Oh my gosh. Alam mo, mga pounds yan sila. Kaya inimbita ko pounds, tsaka euros. Malakas ang value. Husband who has instantly became my feng shui expert assistant. And most especially of all, this event will never be possible without my world of feng shui angels and Frigga angels. Lahat yan sila, mga walang tulog. So thank you so much to, of course, my team, sila Jay, sila Alice, Ian Reyno, Alden Media Production, and of course, Luxit Hotel. Pakakainin na tayo ng masarap kasi Pasko! Let's do a lot of, get together with friends, with Ninita. Maraming friends si Ninita sa Birmingham eh. Okay, so, networking, my friends, do it. Kasi nga, the business will not come to you. You have to create something. Another one is, this is a very good year to activate the Godfather's love. Parang powerful mentor. Oftentimes, people are very successful simply because they have somebody who believes in them. Somebody who's giving them a break. Diba? Ganun lang yun eh. Sometimes, wala talaga eh. So, you needed somebody like isang friend ko dito. Okay, another one that you can see is that the elements of fire and wood are actually complementary with each other. So kaya nga, my friends, if you look at your chart, is wood and fire available on your chart? I believe wood for you is wealth. Bongga, di ba? Textile, agriculture, metal element will also do well. Very active and competitive both on those fire and earth element industries, challenging for the water element business. Okay, in terms of career, to those who are born in the dog, sheep, and especially to ox-born people, they will be expecting frequent traveling. Do you know that on your chart, you can actually see whether you have a traveling horse star? I'm not born with one, I'm born with two. And every year, that also signifies if there's also a traveling horse star. So for the last 5-10 years of my life, and even next year, it added, so I have 3 traveling horse star. I thought I'm gonna rest na, hindi pa pala. Okay, patriarch or male head of the companies will be more complacent and considerate. Hindi na sila stricto. Okay, so if you're dealing with a boss na matapang, hindi na po sila tatapang masyado. Politicking at the workplace will still be there, but this is the time when people agree to disagree. Ayaw na makapag-away kasi pagod na. Okay, that's the scenario of the year. More conciliatory. Health in 2005, eldest daughter and dragon and snake people has the illness star. The stomach issues, my friend, is very, very strong. Problems with the pancreas, pancreatic, illness, muscles, digestive systems are very high. Signs of viral epidemics may again kick in. Now, when you apply this into your homes, again, get the floor plan of your charts, of your house, and subdivide it. Get the directions from inside looking out of your house, and then subdivide your house into a 9 simple grid. Ganon lang kasimple. And so that, if you ask me, my passion with Feng Shui started because of my personal experience. And I want to pass it on to you. It really helps. Okay, so do not renovate, knock, dig, or cut the west corner. Also pala, the center, no renovation at the center. Feng Shui, there are 3 dimensions pala. What we are talking right now is actually the space. Diba? We talk about the layouts of the homes, the offices, and everything. Another one is the time Feng Shui. Why do we need to update our Feng Shui every year? Because nga umiikot yung malas at saka swerte of the year. Correct? Time. And then the last one that we always neglect is the spiritual Feng Shui. I don't know whether one or some of you had an experience. We're supposed to have a celebrity friend who's coming but natakot to chicken out. He bought this house from another celebrity, and then, every night, binabangungot siya, and, he cannot, and it's really brought some malas when he moved to the house. So do you know, so let's just talk about spiritual so quickly. The space Feng Shui requires living in harmony with the physical structures of the world. So yun na nga, yung mga office, yung mga bahay. Time naman is updating. This is what we do. Every year we meet. We only meet once a year. So thank you for investing into your fortune with me. At least the 5-6 hours of your day each year. The other one is the spiritual Feng Shui. These engage into the cosmic realm. They actually coexist with us. Spirits also, alam nyo ba, they have different hierarchies. Meron din para sila kasi they have a different world eh. They are different realm.
Here to be part of the Philippine Feng Shui Extravaganza 2015. Alam niyo po, I think hindi lang yun sa inyong kaalaman, at least a lot of you are aware that 2014 was a very challenging for me, health-wise. Mukhang ganun na naman daw sa 2015, but Marites was there. She has become an integral part of my life. Pag halimbawa ako'y magta-travel, I have to choose the time and date on the plane. There's Marites Allen, an architect, Kakwen. Anything, she's become part of my life that in anything I do, she's always on the phone. Totoo ko yun, pati kung paano ako matutulog. Totoo yun. But it's something that has become so integral in my life that, why? Because katulad ng marami ko sa inyo siguro, I don't like anything that makes me uneasy. Marites has that talent, has that gift to make things easy. She has that language, and she has a way of making friends, a way of living. I think she lives it. That makes you so comfortable. So that is the reason I think why we guys are always gathered here every year. Alanganin ito, this is December 27, between Christmas and New Year, but still, we are here because of the one and only Marites Allen. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you again, one more time with feelings. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and the only, I call her the magnificent Feng Shui master, yes, Marites Allen. Hi, Marites.
Hi, Emperor. Alam mo ba si Boy, when he sends me a birthday, super huge flowers, he calls and he writes on the dedication to my dearest Empress. So I'm calling him my Emperor.
Sandali muna, magkaintindihan tayo. Dito ka ba o dito ako?
That is facing west. That's actually your lucky direction.
It's my lucky direction.
Yes,
so
that's why you can be facing that way and I'll be facing to the north and the south. But you can
so
all the way.
Marites is about love. It's about friendship. It's about relationships.
Thank you so much.
And the ship is lucky for everyone. Correct?
Ano na
The
ulitin mo?
sheep is lucky for everyone.
Well,
Yeah, well.
if it's Tenten Boy,
No, we make our locks. Di ba?
alam mo na two of you are secret friend, dog and rabbit.
We're friends forever.
Be well, do your regular things. And feng shui is just the right?